Hello, and welcome back to English Podcast for Beginners. This is Lovely, and I am happy to be your friendly voice today. This podcast is a safe place. It is a place where we learn English together. Today, I want to talk about a very important idea. This idea is about mistakes. Many of you feel nervous when you speak English. You worry about saying the wrong word. You worry about making a mistake. If this sounds like you, please stay with me until the end. I want to tell you why mistakes are not bad. I want to tell you why they are good for your English growth. We begin. What is a mistake? A mistake is simply trying something and the result is not perfect. In life, we often feel bad when we make a mistake. We feel shy. We want to hide. Because of this feeling, many English students stop speaking. They choose to stay quiet in class. They choose not to practice outside. They fear the mistake. They are afraid that the mistake means they are failing. But I want you to change this idea completely. You must change how you feel about mistakes. Think about learning to walk. Did you fall down? Yes, you did. Many times. Falling was a mistake. But did you stop trying? No. You stood up and you tried again. Falling down did not mean you failed to walk. Falling down was simply one step in the process of learning to walk. The same is true for English. A mistake is just a moment. It is a moment that helps you learn. When you try to speak English, you are moving forward. Making a mistake is proof that you are trying. It is better to make many mistakes than to make zero mistakes. Why? Because zero mistakes means zero effort. Zero effort means zero progress. If you are making mistakes, it means you are moving. A mistake is not a failure. A mistake is feedback. Think of it like this. When you speak and say something wrong, the mistake shows you exactly what you do not know yet. It is a map. It says, look here. This verb is the problem. Look at this word order. This needs work. The mistake guides you to the next step of your learning journey. Without that guidance, you cannot fix the problem. And fixing the problem, fixing the mistake, this is the most important part of growth. When you notice a mistake and then you try again, your brain learns something important. Your brain learns to build a stronger, better English sentence the next time. The effort to correct the mistake is where the true learning happens. You cannot learn to fix something if you do not know it is broken. So Lovely wants you to try this. Stop calling them mistakes. Change the word. Call them lessons. You had a language lesson today. You found a new piece of information to study. This is why great speakers and confident English students are often the ones who make the most mistakes. They are brave enough to try. They are brave enough to experiment with the language. They speak loudly, they listen to the feedback, and they try again. They know that progress requires mistakes. So next time you are talking with a friend or a teacher and you mix up the grammar, do not be angry. Do not hide. Say, "Oh, I made a lesson," and then try to fix it. This changes your feeling instantly. Your goal is not to be perfect right now. Your goal is to make progress every day. And progress is only possible when you are active. You must speak. You must speak. Remember this main idea today. Mistakes are not problems. Mistakes are simply opportunities. They are opportunities to learn and to grow your skills. They are necessary for your language growth. Keep speaking, keep trying, and keep making those valuable, wonderful lessons. Thank you for listening to English Podcast for Beginners. I will talk to you next time. Goodbye for now.